Hi, I'm Mary Rogers with Cuisinart. This is our new Pulp Control citrus juicer. Citrus juice is not just for breakfast. Even though people love to have it for breakfast, think about using it when you're making some savory dishes at night. Say when you're gonna add fresh lime to things like quesadillas or salsa and things like that. So it adds a really great freshness to your foods. But first what I'm gonna do is show you how it works. It's a great piece of equipment. It's really simple to operate. In the reamer here, there's 3 settings for low, medium, and high pulp. So if you like low amount of pulp in your citrus, set it on low, and you have the other options as I mentioned. You just turn this to the right setting. It also has a universal reamer, so it can do anything from really, really small limes all the way to large grapefruit. Has a stainless steel housing, and also has the spout, which is you can move it up, especially when you're done, so that when you're done citrus juicing, it doesn't drip on your counter. So let me show you how it works. All we're gonna do is put this right on top. We're gonna hold it down until it starts extracting the juice. Let me do this to show you something. Look how clean and efficient that is. And then I'm gonna do another one. And I'm gonna show you, see how it reversed? And then once you remove your hand, what you can do is to activate the final spin, you just put the lid on and press it down again. And what it does is it actually gets all that extra pulp, extracts as much juice as possible from it. The other thing that's really nice is all the removable parts are dishwasher safe.
Introducing the new hands-free citrus juicer from Vinci Housewares. Vinci Housewares was founded in Southern California by a team of engineers obsessed with perfecting the tools we use in the kitchen. Vinci products are engineered with functionality, ease of use, and durability as the #1 goal. Our Vinci hands-free citrus juicer is the most advanced household citrus juicer available. Citrus is such a versatile, delicious, healthy ingredient, perfect for breakfast, cocktails, recipes, and even desserts. With our patented automatic juicing mechanism, all you do is slice your citrus, place it on the reamer, and press the juice button. Use it on all kinds of citrus from key limes to grapefruits. The Vinci pressure-sensitive juicing technology automatically senses the thickness of the citrus rind, giving you the maximum amount of delicious juice without the bitter taste of the rind that other juicers can't detect. We found the traditional methods of juicing citrus to be messy, inefficient, bulky, and requiring more effort. With the hands-free citrus juicer, there's no need to hold the fruit. The juicing reamer automatically raises and extracts the maximum amount of juice possible. Quickly juice any piece of citrus in under 30 seconds. And the built-in reservoir allows you to pre-squeeze 12 ounces in less than a minute. Our high-torque motor is built to withstand years of making fresh citrus juice. Juice all sizes of citrus, from small limes up to large grapefruits. And the interchangeable strainers allow for low pulp or high pulp juicing. And when it comes to cleanup, there's no hassle. All the parts are removable for a thorough and complete cleaning. And all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Get your Vinci hands-free citrus juicer now and enjoy fresh, hassle-free citrus juice all year long.
This is the Breville die-cast citrus press. It's the world's first active arm citrus press, and you can actually juice any size citrus fruit on the same cone. It's got this quadrifin cone here, so I'm going to do a lime first. And using the active arm, you just simply press it down. Look at that. And on the same cone, I'm going to use a large grapefruit. Just pop it on the quadrifin cone and pull down the active arm. Look at that beautiful grapefruit juice. And then you simply click up the drip stop spout, and all parts are dishwasher safe. So you just click them out, whoa, and pop them in the dishwasher. The die-cast citrus press, another great innovation by Breville.
Introducing the TriBest Slow Star 2-in-1 Vertical Slow Juicer and Mincer. Experience the taste and nutrition of nature's best with TriBest's best-in-class Slow Star Juicer. Start enjoying fresher, nutrient-rich juices today. With its low-speed pressing method of 47 RPM, the Slow Star efficiently juices all your favorites, from apples and carrots to celery and leafy greens. The Slow Star is a 2-in-1 machine. Just simply replace the top of the machine with the mincing attachment to mince a variety of ingredients for your favorite recipes, like sorbets, nut butters, pâtés, and sauces. Unlike other slow juicers, the Slow Star features Duo Blade. The Duo Blade auger creates a double cut for fewer jams, less pulp, and easily breaks down fibrous produce and leafy greens. Duo Blade's dual cutting edges do twice as much work as a traditional auger, and its 47 RPM low speed preserves more nutrients and produces juices with less foam and greater yield. The Slow Star's 200-watt motor and 3-stage speed reduction gears creates the torque equal to that of a 9-horsepower motor. That's twice the force of similar slow juicers. Unlike traditional slow juicers, the 3-stage reduction gears reduce noise and vibration, while the low-speed 47 RPM motor ensures the juices retain their freshness and healthy enzymes. Experience fresher, better tasting, nutrient-rich juice today with the TriBest Slow Star 2-in-1 Slow Juicer.